In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from all workshop items for a game on Steam quickly and easily. If you've ever installed a lot of mods through the Steam Workshop, you probably know how messy things can get over time. Maybe your game is crashing, maybe you want a clean mod setup, or maybe you just want to remove everything and start fresh. Instead of unsubscribing from every mod one by one, Steam actually gives you a faster way to manage and remove your subscribed workshop items. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly where to find your workshop subscriptions and how to unsubscribe from them, including how to remove everything at once if that's what you want. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Steam tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're logged into your account. Once Steam loads, look at the top right corner of the window where you'll see your profile name. Go ahead and click on your profile name to open the account menu. In the drop-down options that appear, select Content. This section shows different types of content associated with your Steam account, including screenshots, guides, and workshop items. After opening the content page, look for the Workshop Items tab. Click on Workshop Items to view all of the mods and content you've subscribed to through the Steam Workshop. Once you're inside the Workshop Items page, look toward the right side of the screen. You should see a menu with different options related to your workshop activity. From this menu, click on Subscribed Items. This will show you a full list of every workshop item you are currently subscribed to for your games. Now, you'll be able to scroll through and see all the mods or workshop content you have installed. Next to each item, you'll see a button that says Subscribed. If you hover your mouse over that button, it will change to an unsubscribe option. Clicking that will remove your subscription from that specific workshop item. If you only want to remove a few mods, you can simply go through the list and unsubscribe from them individually. However, if your goal is to remove everything at once, Steam makes that possible too. On the right side of the page, look for the option that says Unsubscribe from All. When you click this option, Steam will remove your subscription from all workshop items for that section. This is the fastest way to completely reset your mods for a game. After you unsubscribe, Steam will automatically stop downloading those items and they will be removed from your game the next time it syncs. This is especially useful if you're troubleshooting mod conflicts or preparing for a fresh game install. Once you're done, you can always return to the Steam Workshop later and subscribe again to any mods you actually want to keep. And that's pretty much it. That's how you unsubscribe from all workshop items for a game on Steam. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Steam guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.